What's up, you guys? It's Chris Emerson, and I just got a box from Nate Thompson. It's from Finger Flip Inc., the co-op comp for getting second place with Scotty. And I'm going to open it up for you guys. Got a ton of stickers. Tuning kit. Close up marble bench. Flat face dual bearing wheels. Flat face deck and other dual bearings. With a close up complete. Flat face G12. So I just want to say thanks to everybody that helped put this thing on, especially Nate Thompson and everybody at Finger Flip Inc. And thank you guys for the prizes. These are sick. I'm gonna hit up Scotty and we'll hook him up with his stuff. So thank you.